Guys, this is Inner Mongolia. It reminds me South Africa.
Endless grassland, beautiful sky, and a stunning sunset. Everything just like South Africa. But there is one difference. They are not only farmland, but also wind power land. You see, thousands of wind turbines generates electricity every second. They sell the electricity to the state grid. Maybe South Africa can also follow this mode. Make the electricity in South Africa more cheaper.
Guys, I miss you.